Ranbir Kapoor. What would you cook for him?
Chinese, because the Kapoor Khandan loves Chinese, so Chinese.
Vidya, she's so diet conscious.
No, she's very मस्तीखोर बेबू is. बहुत मस्तीखोर. I really love बेबू. I think candy दूंगा because दोनों बच्चे खा जाएंगे.
Okay. Shilpa Shetty.
शिल्पा शेट्टी घी.
Tejasvi.
वो बाबू तेजू.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh, I would give him probably. Oh God.
The fights going on between Nikki, Gaurav. Even Nikki, I heard she walked out of the show, right? How do you look? I mean, what happened exactly?
कुछ हुआ नहीं था. वो बाहर निकली. मेरा रिएक्शन था अब ठेचक कौन बनाएगा. People think Big Boss और shows like this एक प्लेटफॉर्म में क्या बड़े स्टार बन गए because बोलते हैं भैया सब मेरा शो देख रहे हैं मेरा ट्वीट्स हो रहे ये नहीं है ये 6 महीने का फेम है. See, I'm an actor. I've done acting in drama school. So I've been 3 in the big drama. So I'm saying that if the role comes to me which I like, if it's serious or not serious also, I'll do it. यहाँ रहने के लिए अब रील बनना पड़ता है and you have to take your craft very seriously. यहाँ चाटने का यहाँ सोशल पार्टीज में जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है.
Archana.
अर्चू.
Okay, a packet of salt.
Salt.
Amak.
मैगी आज दृष्टि धामी दिस क्वेश्चन वो हर रोज मैगी खाती है. दृष्टि धामी हर रोज खाती है मैगी. प्लीज आस्क हर.
Salman Khan.
मरवा रहे हो क्या मुझे यहाँ?
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I can say I'm with a celebrity who is now a master chef. Rajiv Adatia and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
How is food treating you right now?
Food तो treats me very well. मुझे बहुत पसंद है food तो obviously as you can see food treats me very very well.
But you know now अभी तक I know winner announce नहीं हुआ है but still people call you a chef, master chef. How does it feel?
It's very nice है जो लोग मुझे मास्टर शेफ बुलाते. प्रॉब्लम ये है किसी के घर जाते तो वो खाना बनाओ. ये प्रॉब्लम है मेरा. मतलब मास्टर शेफ करके आए तो किसी का खाने में किसी के भी घर जाओ तो खाना बनाओ.
Well, you know that gets me to my segment. So I'm going to name a few celebrity who are probably your friends also. And अगर आप उनके घर गए या if they demand, what would you cook for them? You have to tell me and why.
बोलो.
Okay, to start with, Ranbir Kapoor. What would you cook for him?
Chinese, because the Kapoor Khandan loves Chinese, so Chinese.
And have you ever seen them eating or gorging on
Oh
food?
yes, many times. मतलब they love Chinese food. मतलब कपूर खानदान का मैंने साथ में खाया when Rishi Uncle was alive.
Yeah.
Rishi Kapoor and अब हमने कितना साथ में खाया Chinese, so Chinese for sure.
Okay, Shilpa Shetty.
शिल्पा शेट्टी घी बना के दे दूंगा उसको घी बहुत पसंद है. एंड आई थिंक एनीथिंग हेल्थी. मुझे डांटती रहती है जब मैं खाता हूँ तो मुझे दो क्या खा रहा है क्या. तो आई थिंक घी एंड रेड राइस.
Nice. Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra, I would give a nice salad from LA. Okay, so I'll go to LA bar, get some leaves, give a nice LA salad.
Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt, I'll probably give dahi pakala.
And why so?
Because you know dahi pakala is a very nice food you have, like to make you glow. Her skin is always glowing.
Yeah.
इतना सुंदर दिखती है ना, तो I think इतनी simplicity से सुंदर लगती है, तो that's why.
Okay, Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh, I would give him probably, oh God, probably I would give him Hajmola.
And you have to tell why.
Why I tell you ना, because he's so energetic like me ना. हम जैसे लोग जो मेरे वजह से इतना energetic है तो Hajmola जाके ना थोड़ा शांति बाथरूम में बैठते हैं.
But I know जब आप लोग मिले भी थे, I think
He's very
Big Boss,
sweet.
yeah.
खतरों का खिलाड़ी.
खतरों के
He was
खिलाड़ी.
the final खतरों. He's very sweet. He's very sweet. So I think आज खाने में I think a burger. He's a burger kind of guy.
Okay, Salman Khan.
मरवा रहे हो क्या मुझे यहाँ?
अरे क्या बनाओगे? He is also a foodie.
My khandvi chimichurri, the one that got the Shimunta from.
Yes, and you think he'll like it?
100%.
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan probably like Nahari or something. Something like very Nahari fight.
And why would you say so?
Because he seems like someone who likes food.
Yeah.
तो Nahari एक चीज़ है जो उसको पसंद आएगा.
Okay, Kareena Kapoor.
Kareena Kapoor, ooh, something sassy, something salty, something classy. I love Bebo. Huh?
Yeah.
I know for many years and Bebo's very sweet. So I think Bebo के लिए मैं उसको एक sweet candy बनाऊंगा.
But yeah, she's so diet conscious.
No, she's very मस्तीखोर Bebo is. बहुत मस्तीखोर. I really love Bebo. I think candy दूंगा because दोनों बच्चे खा जाएंगे.
But do you have any food memory or meal memory with her since you have known her for so long?
So last time I had Bebo's in London. This was a long time ago. Summer में हम थे वहाँ, but she likes the food. All Kapoors like their food.
Yeah, I agree that. Okay,
Yeah.
Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone, I think achar. Achar, I'll make her.
Why?
Because she's from she's Konkana, right?
No, she's from Bangalore.
She's Bangalore. In Bangalore, people all like achar.
Oh, I like it.
So
Yeah. Lastly, Katrina.
Katrina Kaif, I'll give her jacket potato. Because ये लोग यहाँ नहीं खा रहे jacket potato. Jacket potato एक चीज़ है जो लंदन में मिलता है.
Yeah.
और वो बर्मिंघम से है तो I think jacket potato.
Okay. So now I have another segment. I'll give you आपके celebrity master chef के co-contestants and which masala or ingredient would you associate them
वो
with?
बाबा भी तो शो ऑन है रे, क्या कर रही हो? चलो चलो.
Yeah, it will be fun, ना? You have known them all. Okay, Fezzu.
क्या ingredient?
Ingredient और मसाला and why would you resonate?
मैं उसको आटा दूंगा because bread बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं वो. उसके साथ में एक लेबनीज का मसाला है ज़ाटा.
Yeah.
ज़ाटा मसाला उसको दूंगा because he makes fabulous
Yeah.
Lebanese bread.
Okay. Okay, on the basis of personality, you have to associate them with a spice.
हाँ तो bread नहीं, bread because he's rising.
Yeah. Rising. Tejasvi.
वो बाबू तेजू. तेजू में दूंगा I think chocolate.
Yeah.
She's like a chocolate because वो जब खाते हैं तो मीठा तो she melts in her. तेजू ना बाहर से बहुत tough लगती है, पर actually बहुत दिल की प्यारी है.
Yes.
तो she like melts like butter melting, so like
Yeah.
that.
Okay, Nikki.
ठेचा, my God. मिर्च. इतना ठेचा नहीं है लड़की बनाया शो में ना, ठेचे का नाम मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है. तो I think मिर्च because थिकी मिर्च है वो.
Gaurav.
गौर वाटरमेलन. आई थिंक एक तरबूजा है इसकी वजह से कि मतलब बाहर बहुत हार्ड है,
Yeah.
जब काटते हैं तो बहुत मीठा है. तो गौर.
Archana.
अर्चू. आई थिंक अर्चना होगी मेरे लिए एक करेले. बिकॉज करेले में क्या होता है ना, जब खाते हो बहुत कड़वा होते हैं, वो कड़वा नहीं होते बट इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर यू.
Yeah.
तो जब आप उससे मिलते हो शायद पागलपंती होती है पर एक्चुअली वो बहुत अच्छी है.
Usha Tai.
मुश्ताक को दूंगा मैं कड़ी पत्ता कि वो हर चीज़ें मिलती है.
I know Farah ma'am.
God. Farah ma'am, I think I'll give God wasabi because wasabi is a required taste
Yeah.
and you either can take it or not take it, but she's very sweet. I like it.
Yeah. And Deepika Kakkar. Now she has left the show.
दीपिका तो दूध गाय है वो. She's very sweet. गाय कैसे होते हैं ना, सब प्यारी, बहुत गाय है.
Yeah. And when she's misunderstood, तब आपको कैसा लगता है?
क्या misunderstood यार, रोती तो क्या, कोई बात नहीं है यार. I like her
Everyone
crime.
is a
If she's in crime, मुझे तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है उसको. I like her. She's बहुत दिल की बहुत अच्छी
बहुत
लड़की
अच्छी है
है,
यार.
बहुत अच्छी है.
Okay. Now last segment, Rajiv. You know, अभी आप इतने टाइम से कुक कर रहे हो. You have been in Mumbai for a while. You have to guess the price of some ingredients.
प्राइस मुझे खुद का प्राइस नहीं पता है क्या.
कुछ का नहीं. आपको household items का price
ठीक है,
guess
ठीक
करना
है.
है. Now that you are into cooking, okay. 1 kg onion.
1 kg onion.
Yeah. You have to tell me a price range or a
99
amount.
rupees.
Which onions are you eating, Rajiv?
59 rupees.
Okay, choose one. Then I'll
99
tell you.
rupees. प्याज में खाना महंगा है यार.
हाँ. आप बस एक अमाउंट चूज करो.
99 rupees.
It's
No.
wrong.
How
It's
much?
between 45 to 50 rupees.
हैं?
1 kg, yes.
तो मैं तो गलत जगह पे जा रहा हूँ लेने के लिए.
पक्का. Okay, 1 किलो आलू.
आलू 75.
पक्का.
पक्का.
Again wrong.
Why?
It's 40 to 45.
सब 40 रुपए के हैं.
हाँ.
तो
आप
नेचर्स
गलत-
बास्केट आप बहुत मुझे लूट रहे हो फिर. हाँ then
Where are you buying your
नेचर्स
ingredients for?
बास्केट by the way.
Okay, a packet of bread, medium packet of bread.
20 rupees.
Which bread are you eating?
What
Raj?
is that?
It's 45 to 50 rupees.
तो सब एक चीज के क्या कांदे ब्रेड सब कुछ चलो.
Because medium packet, na, so 45 rupees.
Okay.
And depends on brands also.
Nice.
Okay, a small butter ka packet.
10 rupees. 20 rupees.
No, the brick one I'm talking about.
50 rupees.
You are close. It's 58 rupees.
58. 50, 58. मुझे क्या
Huh?
हाँ,
You are close. So you win.
ठीक है.
Okay, a packet of salt.
Salt.
Namak.
35 rupees.
You are close.
How
You are
much?
close. 30.
चलो, very good. I'm happy.
Okay, 200 grams paneer.
पनीर. The real पनीर तो fake पनीर जो बाहर आ रहा है अभी. हाँ होता है, मैंने
नहीं
सुना
नहीं
है.
रियल पनीर.
तो गाय बहुत महंगा होता है, दूध बहुत महंगा होता है.
हाँ थोड़ा सा.
अभी दूध 200 ग्राम बोला ना.
हाँ like the
आप
brick
दूध
one.
50 ग्राम का होगा तो 200 ग्राम का फाड़ना पड़ेगा about 200-300 bucks. Because I'm thinking measurements now.
300 bucks. You are
200 रुपया.
You are close. It's around 150.
See,
something.
मेरे
You are
हिसाब से
close.
हाँ.
Yeah.
मास्टर शेफ ने हमको ये सिखाया है.
Okay, one single packet of Maggi.
मैगी आज दृष्टि धामी दिस क्वेश्चन वो हर रोज मैगी खाती है. दृष्टि धामी हर रोज खाती है मैगी. प्लीज आस्क हर. मैगी इज 10 रुपीज अ पैकेट ना. तो वन लार्ज पैकेट it's about $100.
Not but I'm talking about the
Achha,
single
it's
one.
$20.
Close you are, $15.
Okay, not bad.
Okay, last one. 1 liter of milk, the Tetra Pak one.
Tetra? What's Tetra?
The packet one. एक
अच्छा,
लीटर
skim
का
milk?
दूध, yeah.
120.
Not skim.
क्या है?
एक और guess. One more try.
80 rupees.
You are close. 75 rupees.
You know, लंदन में कितना है?
कितना?
250 rupees.
But that's
Wait.
converting to INR, na? You spend there in pounds. But good knowledge you have,
Thank you
Rajiv,
so
of
much.
food. So now moving on to, having some fun interaction with you, Rajiv. I want to ask, Celebrity MasterChef as a reality show, how different was this experience as compared to, say, Big Boss or Khatro?
You know, Celebrity MasterChef एक बहुत different experience रहा.
Yeah.
You know, Khatro, Big Boss, जो मैंने shows किया, I've done 5-6 shows now. I think this is the most difficult show I've done because actually हर रोज खाना बनाना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
And जब आप खाना घर में बनाते हो, you don't think about क्या कैसे plating किए. तो the whole show ने concept was very tough. One of the best shows I've done. I've learned a lot. You cannot undo.
Yeah.
आप undo नहीं कर सकते हो MasterChef को कि जो सीखा है वो जिंदगी भर सीखते हैं. You'll always remember that. But one of the most fulfilling shows because जब आप कुछ बनाते हो अच्छे ना,
Yeah.
तो you feel good about it. So I think one of the best shows I've done.
But Rajiv, if such a show airs on television, even पहले MasterChef का एक version आया, right, with the common people and any cooking show, there is this narrative, oh, the celebrities, there are fake cooking, they are just plating and showing off. How do you brush this off?
ये तो हर शो में होता है. Scripted है Big
हाँ,
Boss.
scripted
खतरों में
है.
stunts नहीं करते हैं.
करते
यहाँ
हैं,
हम
yeah.
खाना बनाते हैं भैया. आके मेरे घर के खा लो. चार्ज करूँगा ₹5 आज के खा लो.
But when you hear these, how do you react to such claims? I would say.
मैं नहीं react करता because see people want to defame celebrities के अरे ये celebrities है पैसे देते हैं आते हैं यहाँ
Yeah.
मतलब क्या करके आए वो लोग. हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करके आए. I
Exactly.
think वो forget करते कि no production company or no channel would risk their platform going into disrepute. तो I think they have to understand कि हम अच्छी खाना बनाते हो, अच्छा खाना बनते हैं.
Yeah.
And they'll be surprised. I am surprised कि हम
Exactly.
लोग इतना खाने बना. गौरव, like तेजू तो अच्छा कितनी, I mean गौरव, फैजू
Yeah.
कितना अच्छा खाना बनाते हैं जो फैजू ने कभी किचन के अंदर गया भी नहीं है. मैं तो
Exactly.
फिर भी गया हूँ.
Yeah.
फैजू गौरव ने कुछ ग्लास ऑफ पानी तक किया. I'm saying, but they've never cooked even onions in ghee.
True.
So oil. So I'm saying for them, this show has been. I've opened my eyes because they're very good cooks.
Exactly. And but Rajiv, also there is this narrative कि okay, reality shows are biased when होता है कि okay, किसी contestant की dish ज़्यादा पसंद की जा रही है.
तो बाबा
How do
बताओ.
you see?
After any show I've done, you cannot hide anything from the audience.
Exactly,
Sometimes I read the
exactly.
tweets and sometimes they're reading my mind sometimes because they're very accurate what they say sometimes.
Exactly.
But I always believe that you have to have faith in the show. ये शो में सच में जो खाना अच्छा बनते हैं वही आगे गया है. And सच में यही हुआ. Like I have
Exactly.
tasted everyone's dish. Like I know.
Yeah.
If I know एक dish अच्छा नहीं, मुझे dish में भरोसा नहीं है, तो I cannot expect the judges to give me good marks.
True.
And वो नहीं
That's
दिया
true.
मुझे. और जो मेरा अच्छा था और मुझे पता था अच्छा था, वही दिन मुझे अच्छा marks दिया है लोगों ने.
Exactly.
So I really have faith in the judges because they're very two credible chefs.
And if I talk about your bond, Rajiv, who do you think you have enjoyed your fights the most with?
सबके
Nikki, Archana?
You know, सबके साथ मेरा हुआ अच्छा.
Yeah.
Nikki हो, अर्चना, तेजू, गौरव, फैजू. I'm close to everybody in the show.
Yeah.
In fact, हम कल हम सब मिलने वाले हैं.
Exactly.
So we're going to dinner tomorrow, some group reunion. So I think it's going to be fun, but they're all nice people.
Exactly. But Rajiv, when you see the fights going on between Nikki, Gaurav, even Nikki, I heard she walked out of the show, right? How do you look? I mean, what happened exactly?
कुछ हुआ नहीं था. कुछ बनाना था वो तुमने मस्ती किया तो उसे
Yeah.
शीला किया. जब वो बहुत दिन शो ऑन टीवी वाज, जब वो बाहर निकली, मेरा रिएक्शन था अब ठेचक कौन बनाएगा. They didn't show that. वो उसने नहीं दिखाया टीवी पे because obviously,
Yeah.
but tension. But I think everyone's forgotten what's happened in this show. But I like it. Content होना चाहिए थोड़ा मसाला यार. Big Boss हो के नाम MasterChef में, and it's not scripted. ये actually real है. So I think it's fun.
But you didn't found that disrespecting, जैसा सब बोल रहे हैं ना अभी प्रोमो देख के.
गौरव मस्ती कर रहा था, कुछ में कुछ डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं था. I think what happened was very natural. Nobody means bad in this show.
Yeah.
I think not even Nikki, but ये बहुत मस्ती था. I think उससे ज़्यादा ले लिया निकी ने. But actually,
Yeah.
Gaurav is a very sweet boy. मेहनती बहुत है.
हाँ, मैंने
और अच्छा काम करते हैं वो. And I do nothing in it. बहुत मस्ती था. बिल्कुल मस्ती था.
But Rajiv, जब निकी ने ना एक fun way में, even I saw that episode, ठीक है, comment किया, and she had to later clarify that okay, that was not a racist remark.
वो अंग्रेज.
Yeah.
See, Nikki ने she's not racist. Nikki ने
Obviously, yeah,
वो हम दोस्त थे तो उसी मस्ती में बोल दिया उसने. वो कुछ नहीं है. निकी का एक fun element
Fun
है वो.
element, yeah.
And जब वो comfortable होती लोगों के साथ तब वो बोलती. तो I don't think she's like that.
Right? You know, why don't we see you in a fiction show or a fiction space maybe? Because realities में we have seen you now.
You know, fiction space में actually मुझे कुछ आए हैं 2-3 ऑफर, मुझे अच्छे कुछ आए नहीं, जो मुझे रोल्स मिला है बहुत it's not me.
Okay.
I think लोग जो मुझे एसोसिएट करते कॉमेडी के साथ, if it's a comedy role.
Yeah.
See, I'm an actor. I've done acting in drama school.
Yeah.
So I've been 3 in the big drama. So I'm saying that if the role comes to which I like, if it's serious or not serious also, I'll do it. But as long as the script sits with me, my character.
Yeah.
I don't मुझे शो के ऑफर्स बहुत आते हैं, पर जब मेरे साथ वो शो बैठता नहीं है ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बैटल ग्राउंड एक शो नहीं आ रहा अभी,
हाँ.
बहुत अलग अलग शोज आ रहे हैं जो शायद मेरे मन में नहीं बैठते कि मैं नहीं कर पाता.
Yeah.
This show sits in my soul, so if I know I can give a good projection to it, तब मैं करता हूँ. otherwise मैं नहीं करता.
Exactly. But you know, Rajiv, you have observed this industry very closely, be it Bollywood, be it the television side, right? What do you think is the toughest part to, you know, maybe survive here, or something that people should know that, okay, this
You
is
have
the
to be
tough
real.
part
You
here?
have to be real in this industry. I think यहाँ रहने के लिए आपको real बनना पड़ता है, and you have to take your craft very seriously.
Yeah.
यहाँ चाटने का, यहाँ social parties में जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है.
Yeah.
People say कि आपको यहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, वहाँ नहीं. Be true to your craft. Be loyal to yourself and be humble. If you're not humble in this industry ना, जितने बड़े एक्टर हो, जितने बड़े स्टार हो ना, आप ऐसे क्रश होने वाले हो. सबके साथ अच्छे रहो. With your production, your spot boys, your because सब इंसान है.
Exactly.
कोई हमारे लिए ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब हम सेलिब्रिटी तो आप नीचे हो, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. सबके साथ बराबरी रखो. So be nice to people. Niceness takes you forward in this industry with your talent.
Exactly. And who is the most humble celebrity in your circle you think you have met till now?
So humble है, but the most humble also Lata Mangeshkar. She was my godmother, and honestly, being Lata Mangeshkar at that time,
Yeah,
She was
it
very
was.
humble.
It was. It
so I
was.
think that you cannot be bigger than Lata Mangeshkar. So for me, she's most humble.
Yeah.
अभी की बात को तो सब humble है. Neetu Kapoor, Roshal, everyone's humble.
Yeah. And who do you share the closest bond with? You?
So celebrity, film or
Yeah.
TV?
Film.
Film
TV
में
तो
I
we
have
seen
many.
you.
Film में तो I have a lot, very small group like Sonu Nigam for sure. It's very close to me. In fact, मैं 2 महीने उसको घर ही रहा मैं.
Oh.
Sonu Nigam के साथ, and Shilpa obviously is there. Neetu Kapoor is there. Vibhasha. Pariniti is
Vibhasha,
very
yeah.
close to me.
Yeah.
I love Pariniti Chopra. I think she's one of my dearest friends. So her,
Exactly.
and she's one of the. In fact, if you ask me, who's the humblest? Pariniti. I love Pariniti.
You know, Rajiv, one thing I've observed about you, आप ना, like you express yourself the way it is, right? Be it on social media, be it on a platform while you are doing a show, right? Does it come with a backlash also,
No.
Rajiv? Do you
I'm a
feel?
very real person. जो है सच में सच बोलता हूँ.
Yeah.
लकली मुझे बैकलैश नहीं मिला, मैं ये सच बोलता हूँ. सच बोलते इंसान तो क्यों बैकलैश मिलेगा? एंड मैं हमको भगवान ने ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है बोलने के लिए. हम नहीं बोलेंगे, हम लोग नहीं बोलेंगे तो क्या फायदा? सिर्फ
Exactly.
ऐसे पिक्चर क्लिक करो डालो. God has given us a platform तो use it wisely ना.
Yeah, exactly. And how do you deal? You know, ये industry का भी एक part है ना, trolls हो गया, criticism हो गया. What is your mantra to deal with it now?
See, I think shows are people that are not very happy in their lives. वो हमेशा वो एक जगह ढूंढते, एक चीज ढूंढते उसकी जिंदगी में आपको डिफेम करने के लिए. तो I don't really pay attention to trolls, but they have their system to. I don't care. मुझे अच्छा लगता है यार. लिखो. मेरा कर्म खराब. तुम्हारे कर्म. See, I always believe the people who are unhappy in their lives ना, they
Yeah.
write things like that. People are secure don't write things like that.
Exactly.
So I don't really pay attention to it.
Also, you know, Rajiv, when it comes to, I would say, social media, where do you think one should draw a line? I'll tell you why I'm asking you this, because आजकल ना reality space में, I think your season of Big Boss or say 15 was the last time we really saw celebrities coming, performing and winning the show on credibility, I would say, right? उसके बाद हमने देखा there came this wave of influencers, and you have seen how things have turned. You have
Yeah.
even wrote opinions on it, right?
See, I think influence has their jagger in the market. I think YouTubers ने जो भी है जो काम किया है,
Yeah.
I think the way you handle yourself in the press and the
Yeah.
public eye is very important. Just because आप Big Boss में आए इसका मतलब नहीं आप शाहरुख खान बनिए. I think आगे जो work करते हो आप, and I really believe your character speaks volumes about the person you are.
Yeah.
तो जब आप Big Boss, I agree. Big Boss के last season में तो बहुत सारे celebrities थे, but I think how you present yourself and carry yourself in the industry is very very important. जो किस character पे किससे बात करते हो, मीडिया किससे बात करते हो, your management, your team. So I think people think Big Boss or shows like this एक platform में क्या बड़े स्टार बन गए, because बोलते हैं भैया सब मेरा शो देख रहे हैं, मेरा ट्वीट्स हो रहे हैं. ये नहीं है.
Exactly.
ये 6 महीने का फेम है, 6 महीने का फेम है.
True.
उसके बाद कहाँ तुम कहाँ हो किसी को पता नहीं, because unless you're doing more work afterwards. So I really feel people who are coming into Big Boss now have to understand it's not a show about fighting, it's a character show.
Yeah.
आप जाते हो Big Boss में, आपको ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि मतलब भाई मैं क्यों जा रहा हूँ, किस लिए जा रहा हूँ, because
Exactly.
ये शो आपको बना भी सकते हो, ब्रेक भी कर
Break
सकते
भी
हो.
कर सकता है.
तो
True,
मेरे
true,
लिए
true.
अच्छा था कि मुझे बनाया, otherwise it can really be bad for you.
Exactly. But you know, Rajiv, you come from a corporate background, right? Does breaking into this industry became tough for you just because you are from that?
I was always part of Bollywood for 20 years. मैंने बहुत काम किया, मैं सबको काम दिलाया मैंने यहाँ.
हाँ.
I had an events company. I've given the biggest stars work. So I've always been part of the industry. हाँ, coming from the camera was different, but because India ने मुझे तो embrace किया Big Boss में, तब मैं कर पा रहा. Because मैं बहुत real इंसान हूँ. ना मैं कोई नाटक नहीं करता हूँ. जो अब मैं स्क्रीन में वो actually real life में ऐसे ही हूँ.
Yeah,
तो I think that's why the public have warmed to me.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, since आप बोल रहे हो आपने लोगों को काम दिलाया है, who do you think celebrity जिसको आपने काम दिलाया that has been like the best decision of your life?
That I can't say because obviously it's personal, but let me just say a lot of the A-list actresses and actors have worked with me in London, and they've been very sweet to me, and they've really supported me outside the house.
Exactly. And you know, Rajiv, if I today ask you what does success, what does fame means to you, what would it be?
Means nothing.
Nothing, really.
My success and fame is a very small part of my being. मैं क्यों nothing बोलता हूँ because मैंने सिर पे नहीं लेके गया. Success is very good, fame is very good, पर मैं मानता नहीं हूँ कि मैं इतना famous हूँ कि आपसे बड़ा हूँ मैं. तो I never let it mean something in my mind because मुझे ego चढ़ता है. तो I always take it कि अभी तक मैं पहुँचा ही नहीं हुआ. Does it make sense?
It makes it work. And you know, since now we are short on time and we have to wrap up, I want to ask you, Celebrity MasterChef आपने अभी किया, that one dish you learned and you are like, okay, this I didn't knew.
I don't want to do again.
This I didn't knew, and you learned and you were like satisfied that okay, now I know this.
Khandvi chumi, that one for sure.
And one thing you would never cook, that is tough to
Again,
cook.
chili chicken, the coffee chicken, yeah, was horrible. And that samosa with bhengi and egg I made. These two things I never make my life again. Never.
I think that was a weird combination too.
Jesus.
But you love Indian food?
I love Indian food. I love Indian food.
Thank you so much, Rajiv,
Thank you
for
so
this, and
much.
I'm really looking forward to see you in more
Please.
shows and bring that element of fun on
Please.
television.
I have to now. This is Rajiv Dati watching a Bollywood bubble.